Yep. Fourth day. 4 na araw. Galing na kaming Carigara. Nasa Leyte pa. Uwi na. Here we go again to San Juanico. Horrible to. Pabalik. Oh. Hello, hello. Masag ka na kami. Uphill, uphill. Medyo masakit na yung pa ako. Yung kanang knee joint medyo masakit talaga. All the way. Low gear. Okay. Kumusta mo, sir? Ha? Up. 40. May salumpas na yan. Ayong bike.
Ano?
Mabaklay. Sino mabaklay?
Agad ba lang sa nagbumaklay? Kaya lang nagtalibong.
So, sama Leyte and Basi Samar and San Juanico Strait going up there. Carigara
Talayas ang bulon.
kabila, all the way. The sign says welcome to Samar. Anyway. Whew. My knees hurts. My knees hurts. All the way. So this is my bike, my trusted bike, and the sign says welcome to Samar. Frank!
Ha? Ayos! So, welcome.
Whew. Yep.
Tatay sana ako, may nagpipintura.
Okay. Naglilinis. Tacloban City.